Which one?
Yeah.
Never finish this cycle.
Yeah, well, but all our generation will still have years, but it'll never have to stop until the Earth explodes.
That's still be good.
Oh yeah.
London is lit.
Reaching track 1,000 knots.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh. They should put Palestinian flag inside. And drone lights and everything and
That's nice.
This year is probably going to be one of my most horrible years because
I watched live one time before marriage, and then I never went.
They,
I told my friend.
once can we see? One day can we see?
Yeah, one day we can go.
no.
Yeah, no, it's too close.
That,
Paris is too small for this.
what kind of first of all where you will sleep? Oh, I need to go. Second.
What the umbrella is doing there?
Imagine it stops raining. I think that's some birds who are flying.
When skies are grey, hope is the way.
We needed something to brighten up the summer, and this is it.
Am I finished the